Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help Guys. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you, or I'm gonna give you some free transitions pack for Premiere Pro, but not really that I'm gonna give it directly to you, but rather we're gonna show you where you can get it. So if you combine these two applications together, you'll get up to more than 100 free transitions pack for your Premiere Pro videos. And yeah, this is where you can get them. So first up, you want to go to Enchanted Media. Here in Enchanted Media, they give out free transitions pack for Premiere Pro. So all you have to do is to download these this file right here. Just click on download, and then you can try. You can also have um, Adobe Premiere Pro for free. But there's a requirement here. If you're using an older version of Premiere Pro, specifically 2021 below, it may not be able to work. So you'll need to have a 2022 version for this to work. So these are the free transitions that you can download. Some of the free transitions that you can download. And definitely, they are all worth it, especially if you're just a beginner or if you just want to try out these transitions. You definitely want to check out Enchanted Media. Next, over here, you'll get 83 Premiere Pro transitions for video editors. This is from Shutterstock. So they have a lot. They provide a lot of materials for video editors. Definitely worth looking at as well. And these are customizable Premiere Pro transitions, so you can download it here. They have different versions available. So here, for example, these are 13 customizable Premiere Pros, free hand-drawn backgrounds. You also have classic wipe transitions, Premiere Pro transitions with texture, and you have free animated gritty textures, and so on and so forth. So there are a lot of transition videos available here on Shutterstock and on Free Media, Enchanted Media rather. And all of it is for free. So yeah, don't miss out on these opportunities. Make sure to check them out, and we'll see you again on another video only here on Tech Help Guy.